One 22-piece BIC Flex4 Hybrid Razor Kit for men contains 2 handles and 20 refills. Disposable razors for men with 4 contour adjusting blades for an ultra-close, comfortable shave. Helps protect from irritation with contour adjusting blades, a lubricating strip enriched with Aloe Vitamin E and a heavier anti-slip handle and pivoting head for better control. Ideal razor for face, head and body shaving. Fresh new handle and refills in every pack. 100% recycled and recyclable packaging. BIC Hybrid Flex4 Sensitive is a 4-blade refillable razor featuring longer-lasting flexible blades that individually adjust to the contours of one's skin. These titanium ultra-thin blades, together with the aloe vera and vitamin E enriched lubricating strip, pivoting head, and heavier anti-slip grip, help protect from irritation. Versus BIC Sensitive. Top reviews from the United States. Great deal. I was actually pretty impressed with the quality of shave I received from these. While the quality of the handle and cartridges are not the best, the actual razors themselves are sharp and do a great job of keeping my face trimmed and hair-free.